Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, July 1st. The Zen story for today is titled The River That Wrote Poems. A poet sat by the riverbank, watching the current carry fallen leaves downstream. With each passing moment, he felt words rise within him, verses forming and dissolving like ripples on the water's surface. Inspired, he took a thin reed and dipped it into the river, trying to write his poem directly upon the flowing water. The ink dispersed instantly, his words vanishing as soon as they appeared. A fisherman nearby chuckled. "What are you doing?" "I'm writing poetry," the poet replied. "But nothing remains," the fisherman said. "Perhaps that is the most honest poem of all," the poet mused. "Each word is here for a moment, then gone, like everything else." The fisherman thought for a while, then cast his line into the river. "Then I suppose fishing is a poem as well. You drop the hook, you wait, and sometimes you catch something, but mostly you just watch the river." The poet smiled. He set down his reed, closed his eyes, and listened to the river's endless verses, spoken without a single word. Now take a comfortable position, and as usual, take a moment to relax, arriving into stillness. Perhaps close your eyes gently and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What do you create or pursue that is meant to last? What if it didn't need to last? How would that change your approach? What do you create or pursue that is meant to last? What if it didn't need to last? How would that change your approach? How does impermanence shape the meaning of your efforts? How does impermanence shape the meaning of your efforts? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for. protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, scan the body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, as always, I invite you to continue with these reflections and also encourage you to check our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lordless breathing practice. I will see you tomorrow. Have a beautiful day.